Hi, all of you. Myself Gautam. Basically, I am from Bihar, but born and got up in Kolkata. I did my bachelor's from West Bengal University of Technology in biotechnology in 2021. From childhood, I always wanted to be in the IT. So after college, I am searching for a job. But for in recent market, there is not a single job for a uh, non-technical background candidate. So I'll go and search IT means IT courses. So at that point of time, I got to know about the e-vision. And one thing here, every course in the Google or somewhere you are searching, it's always high like 50,000, 80,000 only for one subject like CCNA, or someone is teaching window administration, so it is also taking the 50,000. So in today's world in IT, the recruiter or the IT managers or the IT companies always expected from candidate that he have a knowledge of everything, like not the level of high, but yes, intermediate level. They have to know how network is working, or troubleshooting a desktop or system, or virtualization. So at that point of time, I got to know about eVision, and it is a changing point of my life. In eVision, I never believed that in a single course, and that a minimal amount like 15K. So I think 15K is the purchase value of a phone also. So there I invest 15,000, and today's I am getting a job in three companies. So and the good part is that they are the higher, means in the IT market they are the best companies we consider. So in that course I got to know, like there are, like in there are many sections. Like first we have to go from networking, then window administration, there is 2 week course, then after CCNA, ITIL, and then virtualization, cyber security, and one more, which is Linux. After learning all these things, it takes about 45 days, means 1.5 month we take. And after that, they also provide personality development, and also there are mock interview which is conducted by eVision also. And one thing here is more important, they have best placement. I got about 10 to 15 interview calls, and every interview I'll clear. I will clear. I was clear all the interviews. Not all, but yes, two or three are not. Didn't get selected, but maximum I am getting the selected. But their CTC was also good. But it is not about the interviewer or recruiter or the company. It is all about the eVision, because if eVision unable to give the confidence or the knowledge, I am unable to crack any job. So it's all about the eVision. And their faculty members are very good, and they, if you ask a question again and again, there I'll see one faculty, he's, means like he's never got angry at any point of time. If I ask the question again and again in CCNA, we always have a mini doubt, like how router works, how switch works, if our internet is not working, how can we configure the system, and everything there. So they teach from basic to intermediate level, and after that from intermediate to a higher level. So there, it is the best part of eVision. And their placement team is also so good, because after giving all the knowledge from the faculty we are getting, then there is a way to, means after recruiting, placement cell will contact with the recruiter, and they have all the things like backend work, they contact the recruiter and they schedule the interview, everything. So here placement team also works so good, and the faculty is also so good. So I recommended that if anyone want to go for a IT, like if he is thinking that I'm willing to go in IT, then he consider eVision once. I'm not telling that consider every time, but yes, once, and you believe that you will get a good package. Not about the package, you get the good knowledge also here. and the last part is that like they also provided us discipline. Like in every day I have a class, like I am a working professional, so I have a class from 7:30 to 9:30. So after work I'll come and get the class, and they always teach, like IT is always in a learning phase, so we always have to learn, because in today's world every day a new technology evolved. So we have much the courage to learn every day. And I got the package of 2.8 LPA, not as the 2.8 LPA. I also got the 3.5 LPA package, but it is not in my home location. So but in Kolkata location, and if they are giving the placement and placement also, and they are giving that knowledge that I cracked the interview, so it is very good for me. So it's all about eVision. They did the thing which is told by my recruiter, sorry, counselor, at the time of my joining at the eVision as an intern, 45 days internship. And this journey is not ended here. It is beginning of my journey with the eVision. And thank you so much all the faculty, Ganesh sir and Sati ma'am, who is my placement head, and also my counselor Ruksar, and the faculty members. Thank you for everything. Thank you, eVision.